What's up? This is from my good friends over at UPERFECT. It is a portable monitor, and you may be seeing these all over the internet. I'm not sure. You might be wondering, is this good for me to have? Do I do that much stuff outside of the office in a coffee shop where I would need a dual monitor setup? Obviously, a lot of these things are going to be up to you and your specific workflow, but UPERFECT was kind enough to send me their 4K. This one's called the UPERFECT S 4K portable monitor. I think this is the 15.6 inch. It is touchscreen display, so it's touchscreen as well. I'm really interested to see what this is like, both set up with a laptop, so I brought my laptop as well today, but also as just an added monitor to my normal desktop setup. Another question I would have would be, can I use it as a monitor? I currently have a small monitor here from Newer, but could I use it as a monitor for my YouTube setup? It's a little bit bigger screen, looks really nice. I mean, that's gonna be the first thing that I say here, right? I mean, look at this packaging. This looks like a MacBook Pro box, right? And you can obviously tell they're taking some design tips for their packaging from Apple here. Even the font seems pretty similar, but first and foremost, that was my first impression upon opening this box, was just how nicely it looks in the packaging, but also how nice the design looks here. So I'm eager to get my hands on this, to unbox it with you guys. So without further ado, let's hop into the UPERFECT S 4K portable touchscreen monitor and see what this is all about. So the cool thing is, I mean, this thing looks really thin, which in any scenario, any setup, minimalist desk setup, whatever, I mean, it looks nice, and it looks very similar, like I said, not only the packaging wise, looks similar to maybe a MacBook unboxing experience, but it looks like the material, what it's made out of, will sit nicely next to a MacBook. I feel like this might have people coming up to you asking, like, is that do you have two laptops going on? Like, what are you doing right there? And then here we go, the unboxing here. Not as smooth as Apple, but still very nice. Oh wow, so they actually sent me, and I don't know if each of these models come with this, maybe it does, but it's actually a carrying case. So this is almost like a 15-inch laptop sleeve, which is really, really nice. It's got a nice microfiber lining in there, which is good. It'll keep the screen clean. And that gives you an idea of how big the product is itself. These things aren't cheap, but I'm hoping that they're very much worth it. So there's the product itself. Feels lighter than a MacBook, but probably a little bit heavier than I would have thought. You get USB-C to USB-C, HDMI to, looks like, I think it's HDMI to just HDMI. USB-C to USB-C again, and then USB-C to USB-A. Here is the charger for it. Now, something I'm curious to test out is if you're able to actually charge the monitor and use it through your computer, or if you actually have to have it plugged into the wall and your computer to be able to use it. 30-watt power brick. I will say, like, this is just kind of a plastic, but it's laid out very nice. I like that. You can obviously plug in gaming consoles to this. It's basically just a small TV, small external monitor. Let's see what this guy's all about here. Wow, this is nice. I'm not gonna lie. It is a premium product with a premium price tag, but I mean, it looks really nice. You've got a button here, looks like on off. Micro USB, a headphone jack. This looks like it's smaller than a HDMI. This must be like micro HDMI or something. It's not as small as like what, like my camera, like that small, whatever that's called. I'm not a pro at that stuff. And then two USB-Cs. So I'm wondering if you can kind of daisy chain this thing. So let's pull this stand up. It's an interesting sort of stand configuration. That seems to be as tall as you can get it, the hinge wise. And then obviously it can fold all the way down. There's obviously a tipping point here too, so you don't have a ton of range there, which is a little strange. That could be fixed if they pulled out this bottom just a little bit more. I'm gonna be using it like this anyway, and if I use it with my desktop setup, I'm gonna be kind of folding it down and then resting this on desktop monitor stand anyway. So, I mean, that's really cool. As far as materials go, I mean, this thing feels so solid. It seems to be all metal body. I think this actually has speakers, which might be these little ports right here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the overhead camera. Rubber pads all over the bottom here. So my first question is, can this thing have power? And it can. Wow, so it's actually getting power from my MacBook Air, which is interesting. Super convenient. It looks amazing. Very small bezels on the top and sides. Obviously you got a bit of a chin down here, but that doesn't bother me too much. It seems really bright. I also know there's quite a few settings. This is really the only button there is on the device. It really does seem like this thing can get pretty bright. The colors look amazing. It is 4K.
To the opening screens, now this. All right, open quest log, let's go ahead and see what we got.
So this is with the volume all the way up on this thing. Watching a 4K video from the Rad Brad. All right, so it looks amazing, as you can tell. I mean, you might not be able to tell as well as I can. Definitely 4K. They make OLED models as well. I don't think this one's OLED. This is a pretty cool setup, you know, if you're in a coffee shop, something like that, and you do need the dual display there. As for an unboxing, first impressions video on this product, this thing seems really, really cool. I'm excited to use it. Now, you know me, as a minimalist, the questions I have are like, is this something I absolutely need? Is it something that's gonna help in my productivity? Is it something that's gonna help faith, family, social, work, or personal? And which of those does it help the most? I could see it fitting into a couple places in my life, so I will be working through if it's something I truly need. If I find out it's not something I truly need, which might very well happen, I will be doing a giveaway on this channel. I want to do more giveaways and give back to you all, the community, tech that I think is really cool, like this, but maybe not something that I need in my personal life. So be on the lookout for that in a future video. I might be giving it away. Sorry to tease you all on that, but it's something I want to try to do more and more. But as for, you know, first impressions, this thing seems really solid. Great materials, great build quality, easy to store, slim, throw it in a book bag if you're traveling around a lot, or it could be a great desk companion to the monitor you're already using. I am happy and surprised that you can actually power it through just one USB-C cord from, like, I have the base model MacBook Air here. It does seem to kind of crash on you if you go above 70% brightness. I'm guessing it's just trying to pull too much power from the laptop that it's not able to provide. But this is actually really, really bright at the, I think, 50% that I have it at. So I'd be interested to see what full brightness looks like when it's actually plugged in to the wall. Thanks once again to UPERFECT for sending out this unit. If you want to check out their products, I'll link it on the first line of the description down below. And like I said, it's an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback, which will help with the channel, help me do more giveaways in the future, and help make great videos for you all. Let me know your thoughts on this 4K portable monitor down in the description below. I appreciate you all very much. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it. If you're new, subscribe and watch this video. I think you're gonna love it. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.